Why is my heater blowing cold air? No one likes it when they turn on their heater and get only cold air out of it. So, why is it happening? Well, there are several reasons, some of which may require heating repair. One common reason for this problem is restricted airflow from an old or clogged filter. Another reason is a malfunction with your thermostat electronics. The machine could have problems, such as a dirty or faulty flame detector. On older furnaces, the pilot light may go out, while the electric ignition may fail on modern furnaces. It may happen from a problem in the gas line or clogged condensate lines. It can even happen because of damage to your ductwork. If you need HVAC repair in Montgomery, Alabama because your heater is blowing cold air, contact Clark Heating, Air Conditioning and Plumbing at 334-449-7936 or visit our website at clarkcomfort.com.